This customer brought us his 2011 Jaguar XF. It's got the old 3-litre petrol V6 in it. Now, it's got a misfire, come from another garage. They tried to fix it and couldn't. What they did was they replaced all the spark plugs and all the coil packs, and the misfire is still there. What I've done is, I've swapped cylinder 4 and 5 spark plug over, because the misfire was on cylinder 4. Now when I started it up, it still had the cylinder 4 misfire. Next, I swapped the coil packs over. It was still a cylinder 4 misfire after I did that. So the next step, what we wanted to do is do a compression test. Now we did the compression test, and cylinder 4 has low compression. So that means there's a problem with this engine. Now next option for the customer is to do what's called a cylinder leak-off test. Now what this does is, it tells you where that leak is. Is it from the piston rings or is it from the valves? Now once we've done that, we'll be able to tell the customer what his next options are in regards to this engine. If your vehicle has a misfire, you're welcome to come down to Wheels VT and we can diagnose this for you.